Hello, welcome students. Today we are going to see the numerical problems based on the topic chemical kinetics. So the first problem is show that in every first order reaction the time required for 70% completion of reaction is double than the time required for 50% reaction. Okay, म्हणजे काय करायचं बघा, या रिॲक्शन आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे की रिॲक्शन 75% कंप्लीट होण्यासाठी जो टाईम लागतो तो डबल असेल अशापेक्षा 50% रिॲक्शन कंप्लीट होण्यासाठी जो टाईम लागतो तो. ठीक आहे, तर याचं सोल्युशन्स कसं असेल बघा. आपल्याकडं फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिॲक्शनचं रेट कॉन्स्टंटचं इक्वेशन आहे. काय आहे? के इज इक्वल टू 2.303 अपॉन टी टाइम log to the base 10 a upon a minus x. Okay, आता बघा, if the initial concentration A is equal to 100 जर असेल, then for 75% of reaction, okay, x is equal to 75, and that is a minus x is equal to 100 minus 75, that is 25. Okay, so therefore t 75% is equal to 2.303 upon k इकडे आला, t इकडे गेला, log to the base 10 a upon a minus x. ओके, आता याच्यामध्ये आपण व्हॅल्यू ठेवायचे आहेत. इज इक्वल टू 2.303 अपॉन वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट के, वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट टी 75%, के रिमेन्स ॲज इट इज. सो लॉग टू द बेस 10 ए 100 आहे, ए मायनस एक्स 25 आहे. ओके, सो 2.303 upon k log to the base 10 25 400. Okay, so here you will get 4. Okay, then what is the next step? If we calculate the log 4, it comes out to be 2.303 upon k into 0.6021. This is equation 1. Okay, and similarly for 50% reaction काय होईल बघा, x 50 होईल. ओके, and a minus x किती होईल, 50 होईल, 100 minus 50. So what is t 50%? t 50% is equal to 2.303 upon k log to the base 10 100 divided by 50. So 52s are 100 is equal to 2.303 upon k log to the base 10 2. Okay, which comes out to be 2.303 upon k into 0.3010. This is equation number 2. Now if you compare the equation 1, okay, equation 1 and equation 2, you will found that t 75% is equal to 2 into t 50%. आणि म्हणून आपल्याला याच्या खाली असं आपण काय केलेलं आहे, प्रूव्ह केलेलं आहे. म्हणजे 75% रिॲक्शन कंप्लीट होण्यासाठी डबल टाइम लागतो 50% रिॲक्शन कंप्लीट होण्यासाठी जेवढा वेळ लागतो तेवढा. ठीक आहे, आय होप ऑल ऑफ यू हॅव अंडरस्टूड दिस न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, लेट्स मूव फर्दर. The next problem is okay, let me take pen. The next problem is time for half change, that is t1 half in a first order reaction is 25 minutes. That means T half is equal to 25 minutes. What time will be required to complete 99.9% of the reaction? याचं सोल्युशन कसं असेल बघा. ओके, for half change, that is 50%. For 50% we have formula T1 half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. Okay, so therefore K is equal to 0.693 divided by T1 half, which is equal to 0.693 divided by 25, which comes out to be 0.02772 minute inverse. This is the unit. Okay, so for 50% completion of reaction, the time required is 25 and the K is this. Now for 99.9% complete reaction, A is equal to 100, A minus X is equal to 100 minus 99.9 is equal to 0.1. Okay, so T 99.9% is equal to 2.303 divided by K log to the base 10 A upon A minus X, which comes out to be 2.303. We have the value of K here, 0.02772 into log to the base 10. A is 100, A minus X is 0.1. Okay, so if you solve this, you will get T 99.9% is equal to 249.24 minutes, which is equal to 14,954.4 seconds in SI unit. Okay, so you can easily solve such type of problems. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. The next example is 3, a second order reaction where A is equal to B is completed to the extent of 60% in 720 seconds. How long will it take for the reaction to go to 85% completion? In this problem, the order of reaction is 2, that is second order reaction, and the reaction is with equal initial concentration, that is A is equal to B. Okay, so reaction 60% completes in 720 seconds. Okay, so we have to calculate the time required to complete the 85% of the reaction. Okay, so in solution, first of all we have to write the formula. Okay, what is the formula for second order reaction having equal initial concentration? It can be written as K is equal to 1 upon T X divided by A into A minus X. This is the formula for second order reaction having equal initial concentration. Okay, so given, what is given? T 60%, that is time required for 60% completion reaction is given. T 60% is equal to 720 seconds. Okay, so if A is equal to 100, since the completion time is in percent, we have to take A as 100. Okay, that is initial concentration. So if A is 100, then X is equal to 60, that is 60% completed. Okay, so we have to calculate the K and then T 80%. Okay, so from this data we can calculate the K. Okay, so our K is calculated, the formula is here, put this value in this formula. K is equal to 1 upon time 720 seconds. Okay, x is 60, a is 100, in bracket 100 minus 60. Okay, so it comes out to be 60 divided by 720 into 100, and this 100 minus 60 is 40. Okay, so the k is equal to 2.0833 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, what is unit? Concentration inverse, second inverse. Okay, so this is k. Now since we have k, we can easily calculate the T80%. Now here for T80%, again the x is 85 and a is 100. Okay, and we know the value of k is here. So we have to use this formula. Take t on this side and k on this side. So directly I will write T85% is equal to 1 upon k. K is 2.0833 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, x is 85 divided by 100 into bracket 100 minus 85. Okay, so if you calculate this, you will get the 2720 seconds. Okay, so to complete the 85% reaction, the reaction will take 2720 seconds. Okay, so this is the solution of the above given problem. Hope you have understood the solution. Okay, you can solve easily the numericals based on. The next problem is the fifth problem. Okay, so here the numerical problem is the velocity constants. Okay, for the decomposition of N2O5 at 298 Kelvin and 338 Kelvin are 3.46 into 10 raised to minus 5 and 4.87 into 10 raised to minus 5 respectively. Calculate the energy of activation. The value of R is given 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. So decomposition of N2O5, this is the reaction which is carried out two temperatures. This is T1 298 Kelvin and 338 Kelvin, this is T2. 3.46 into 10 raised to minus 5, this is K1, and 4.87 into 10 raised to minus 5, this is K2. Okay, so the formula to calculate the energy of activation is like this: log K2 divided by K1 is equal to this energy of activation. Okay, 2.303 into R. Okay, and into bracket this T2 minus T1 divided by T2 into T1. Okay, so if you put all these value in this formula, you will get log K2 4.87 into 10 raised to minus 5, K1 3.46 into 10 raised to minus 5, okay, is equal to this EA 2.303 into 8.314, that is value of R. T2 is 338 minus T1 is 298 divided by 338 into 298. Okay, so this 10 raised to minus 5, 10 raised to minus 5 will get cancelled, and you have to take the denominator of this, and whatever the value is coming out, you have to take log of that value. So that log will come out to be 2.1484 is equal to EA. We have to calculate, multiply this to get value here. Okay, and calculate this bracket whose value comes here, and if you take all these calculations on calculator, the energy of activation will comes 103583.86 joules, and this converts to 103.58 kilojoules. Okay, so in this way you can easily calculate the energy of activation. Okay, I hope this problem is very simple, you can easily calculate. Okay, the next problem is fourth, that is the half-life of a second order reaction is 20 minutes when the initial concentrations of the reactants are 0.05 molar each. Okay, what is the velocity constant? In what time will the reaction to be 75% completed? Okay, so here half-life time for second order, that is T50%, is given, which is 20 minutes. Okay, initial concentrations are same, that is A is equal to B is equal to 0.05 molar. So X for T50% will be half, that is 0.025 molar. Okay, so by using these values we can calculate the K. So how to calculate K? K is equal to 1 upon T50%, okay, X divided by A into A minus X. So K is equal to 1 upon 20 minutes, X is 0.025, A is 0.05 into bracket, again A 0.05 minus 0.025. Okay, so if you solve this, you will get the value of K is 1.0 mole per dm cube. Okay, inverse and minute inverse. Okay, now for T75%, again we will use the same formula, 1 upon K, X divided by A into A minus X. Here A is 0.05 molar. So for 75% completion reaction, X is the 75% of this value. Okay, so which comes out to be X is equal to 0.0375 molar. Again putting these values in this equation, the T75% is equal to 1 upon K is equal to 1, X is 0.0375 divided by A is 0.05, again A is 0.05 minus X is 0.0375. Okay, if we calculate all this on calculator, the T75% time is its value comes out to be 60 minutes. Okay, so this is the simple solution of this above problem. I hope all of you have understood this.